there could be a person who is running a primitivist camp, kind of a survivalist camp, and it could have gradations of survivalism where on the one hand you have, caveman, cave people like skills and building survival shelters and maybe building even an artificial cave. I already have one now, but it's not really done yet and needs a new door because mice and rats get into it, and it needs to have a way to heat it better as well. But you could have all kinds of primitive activities. We've tanned rabbit furs here before when I was raising lots of rabbits. We could have people carving tools out of sticks and stuff. All the primitivist skills you can think of that they have, like a primitive skills gathering, we could just be going on probably most of the year, and then go on vacation to another place once a year. And then some people could join that for a time. We could offer workshops. So we could go all the way from caveman spaces and then have a gradation that goes into an area that uses a lot of, camping equipment, and that could have sponsors, so you'd work with the sponsor team. We could have glamping tents and stuff, and, of course, fires at night, cooking over the fire.